Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to display percentage discounts on your WooCommerce sale products. Now before we start, to be able to do a lot of these steps, you have to pay for a WordPress subscription. Now I didn't pay for a WooCommerce a WordPress subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally by saying the instructions, and if you follow them, you'll be able to accomplish the task. Now, for the first step is to enable sales prices. To do that, you have to log in first to your WordPress by going to the WordPress website and entering your account credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the account dashboard. From here, edit a product and sets a sale price lower than the regular price. The second step is to use a discount label plugin. Go to plugins right here and click on add new. Let's see. You can add a new plugin right here and search for WooCommerce discount percentage. WooCommerce discount percentage, and we'll select this one. Now, as I said before, you have to upgrade and activate this plugin. You have to pay for the WordPress subscription. If you do that, you'll be able to do this step very easily. And install it and activate it. Now for the third step is to customize the percentage label. Configure the plugin's settings to display the percentage off, such as save 20%. And that's it. Your WooCommerce product now show percentage discounts. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.